Hi everyone, my name is Catherine from Everlace Design Co. And today I'll be showing you how I personalize these folders that I give to my workshop students. So let's get started. Okay, so let me go over the supplies that I will be using today. I have this blue folders that I'll be giving to my workshop students. And I will also be using the Zebra G nib, which is good for a beginner, and this pointed oblique holder. And I will be using the white ink by Dr. P.H. Martins, the pen white. And I diluted it a little bit with some distilled water just to thin out the consistency so that it will go smoothly. Also, I have my rinse water here to rinse my nib and a little bit of paper towel. And that's it. Looks like we're ready to go. Okay, so this is one that I have already done. I usually leave a little bit of space between the end of the flap here to the baseline of the name. So I'm gonna keep this as a guide. So I transferred the ink from this big bottle to this little dinky dip so that it's easier to handle. And before I start, I usually shake it gently, just a little bit. And white ink is usually a little thicker in consistency compared to black ink, so I usually just do a little shake with my nib and then wipe off the excess. Start writing. First name is Nicole. Okay, so I want to leave a little bit of space here, and since I don't have a descender, I can keep this as a baseline. All right. Right, that's Nicole done. Alright, so next name is Jessica, and same thing, before you start, always stir the ink and wipe the excess off. So Jessica, the J has a descender, so I would take the baseline higher so that when I finish the descender, it won't end right at the flap. So there will be a little bit of space between the flap and the bottom of the descender. So I will start a little bit higher right here. Start here. So it's Jessica. Have a little bit of space here, so that's good. I'll let it dry now. Alright, so next let's do Sebastian because it has a crossbar that I like to do. So same thing, stir the ink, wipe the excess off, and then you eyeball your baseline. Sebastian. And so white ink tends to dry a little faster than black ink, so I usually rinse it quite often and then just wipe it dry with paper towel. Alright, can move on to the next name. And next up we have Ali. I want to show you the difference between the two A's. So usually I would do my A like this. But since Ali, the A connects with the L, my crossbar might be too close to the L. I could do it like this, connecting the crossbar to the L like this. But then for some people this might look like an H. So I think I will probably do it with the more oval A. Okay, so you see if your upstroke gets thicker like this, that means there might be some fiber that got stuck in the on the nib. So you want to just flick it to release that fiber. Okay. Yeah, so more oval A. So like this. Yeah, I think that looks good. All right, let's do that. All right, there you go. Okay, so I just want to show you quickly what I give to my students when they take my in-person workshop. So I have this plastic oblique holder, and you have a little bit of sumi ink, and some dinky dips with wooden holder. You have 4 little jars to put your ink in, and you got 2 nibs. One is a flexible one and one is a more firm one. And I like these 2 nibs for beginners because they're some of the most, like the easiest nibs that you can use. And I wrote the nibs here just to pretty it up. And then next you get the personalized folder with your name on it. And I have a little warm-up guide with all the strokes. And an uppercase alphabet, lowercase alphabet, and a dot pad for you to practice on. So this pad has little dots to help guide you when you do the practice strokes and the letters. Right? That's all you get. And I also will be sending digital PDFs and some resource guide on where you can get all the supplies. Alright, if you're interested in taking my workshop, check out my website at everlacedesignco.com or check out the link in the description. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.